Imagine the following. All over the world, millions of people are working in the most efficient way. All over the world, industrial engineers speak the same language. Companies have uniformly high standards at all their locations, and so ensure enduring success. You might think it's utopia, but this is actually what's going on. Companies in more than 20 industrial nations on 5 continents are already using the MTM process language to design their working systems. MTM stands for Methods Time Measurement. The time needed to carry out a specific task depends on the method that has been chosen. The MTM founders were able to demonstrate this codependence for the first time in the 1940s. They used film clips to discover the whole range of movements used in manual work and determined a scientifically proven and standard time value for each of these elements. MTM now has the world's largest amount of process data encoded in a uniform manner for international usage in order to describe any work process in a reproducible way. MTM is now far more than just a collection of data. MTM is a tool for describing, structuring, designing, and planning working systems with the help of defined process building blocks. There is no alternative to MTM standards as an objective reference system for those who want reliable figures and need to know about any discrepancies between standards and actual processes. MTM is essential to help companies calibrate their working systems. Thanks to this all-round approach, MTM reveals the cost drivers and exploits the design potential in all the phases of the value-added chain. MTM reduces ergonomic problems at the workplace, involves employees in all measurements, encourages the ability to create standards, methods, motivation, and performance in almost every industry. The task of the International MTM Directorate and all the national MTM associations linked together is to further develop the MTM process language as the worldwide standard for productivity management and safeguard the long-term performance of the member companies within a solid network. The German MTM Association has been part of it since 1962. At Keycut, the world's leading producer of vehicle door locks, it has been possible to make huge cost savings by using MTM, according to plant manager Kai Dessel. We purchase daily 1.4 million components, and we have managed to streamline production with the help of MTM and the value stream analysis. Providing materials has become clear, and we've been able to reduce our stocks by 20% at the same time. This active headrest, developed by the University of Kassel, received a German Automobile Industry Award for Innovation in 2008. Professor Dr. Bernd Klein and his team relied on Procon, the MTM planning tool for production-oriented design, in their development work. Procon is an important tool for a designer. It systematically reveals the difficulties in the assembly process, which are the real cost drivers, the movements and processes that make a product more expensive at the end of the day. Assembly work for the headrest accounts for more than 40% of the production costs. The furniture manufacturer Contura, a company in the Vitra Group, is using MTM to optimize its logistics processes and utilizes the IT solution Tycon for process data collection and administration. Peter Helbling explains why. MTM Logistics enables us to analyze these processes thoroughly and make decisions based on this analysis. In my opinion, Tycon is a software which has been designed by experts for experts, and we are very satisfied with it. The Dresden software house company is continuing to refine the Tycon modules and interface solutions and provides customer-oriented solutions in addition to complex support and training opportunities. highly qualified MTM engineers advise and support project teams on site in Germany and around the world. The German MTM Association is also reinforcing MTM expertise in companies themselves. More than 5,600 employees have been trained during a 4-week course to become MTM experts. Young scientists are a particular focus of interest. The basic MTM course at universities, and the qualifications that even include becoming a European industrial engineer. The engineers are able to model cyclical processes in their heads, think in terms of determining factors, design target processes that satisfy standard performance processes, and adapt the MTM process language and the specific processes. I think the essential issue is that they can develop working systems quickly and accurately and introduce series production work without making any mistakes. MTM is the established global standard for work design, and MTM never stands still. Research and Development Group, close cooperation with partners in business and science, opportunities to exchange experiences, expert knowledge, and last but not least, its own media activities make the MTM Institute, with its headquarters in Zeuthen, a powerhouse for innovation. Professor Dr. Engelbert Westkemper, head of the Institute of Industrial Manufacturing and Management. MTM is not only a very important partner for us in terms of training. We also know that MTM is very active in the field of work design, factory or production systems with its methods and operating principles. And we need MTM as a base, as one of the pillars for this ongoing work. We need the methods, and of course we need the MTM organization in order to make that transfer into practice better and more efficient. The MTM Association is a strong community. Membership guarantees companies tailor-made instruction and training opportunities, integration and a global network of expertise in the field of productivity management, the very precise use of the measures at every location, and immediate access to all products and services. Imagine, all over the world, there are companies that are successful as a result of one method, and you are part of it.